Hello folks, welcome back to Culinary Heritage by Devika. And now look at this bowl. Just look at it. This is not mac and cheese. This is comfort food with commitment issues. Once you start, there is no stopping. Today we are making creamy mac and cheese. The kind of dish that makes you forget your diet, your deadlines, and sometimes your in-laws' comments. You take one spoon thinking, bas thoda sa, and suddenly the bowl is empty and everyone is pretending it wasn't them. Now let's talk about the real stars of this dish, mozzarella and cheddar cheese blocks. These are here to make your mac emotional. We are grating 150 grams of cheddar and 100 grams of mozzarella. Yes, manually, because market brought grated cheese is like ready-made rishta proposals. Looks convenient, but something always feels off. Freshly grated cheese melts better, tastes richer. Now moving to the pasta. In 2 liters of boiling water, we add salt. Adding 200 grams of whole wheat macaroni from U Pasta. Whole wheat pasta has more fiber, keeps you fuller and doesn't spike sugar like refined pasta. So yes, we are being a little responsible today. For perfect pasta, always remember 1 liter water for every 100 grams of pasta. This helps the pasta cook evenly and not stick. We have saved a small bowl of pasta water. This is liquid gold. If the sauce later feels too thick, this will fix everything. Now in a pan, add butter. Once the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of maida. Cook till it turns slightly brownish. This removes the raw taste and builds flavor. Then add 800 milliliter of room temperature milk. Stir continuously. Room temperature milk is important. Cold milk causes lumps and nobody wants emotional breakdowns in their sauce. Then when salt, garlic powder, red chili flakes and grate a little nutmeg. Nutmeg is magical, like that one relative who actually supports you. Now stir well, be patient and watch it thicken. You'll see the sauce becoming semi-thick, smooth and glossy. Now very important step, switch off the flame. Add the grated cheese only after the flame is off. By the way, if you're wondering about the pan grater or pasta I'm using, I have added the affiliate links in the description box below. You can check them out if you need the same products. Moving on, we add some cream cheese. Mine looks thick because it just came out of the fridge. Mix gently till everything melts into a creamy, glossy sauce. Not too thick, not too runny. Now add the boiled macaroni to the sauce. Mix gently so every piece is coated in cheesy goodness. And very important, do not add oil when boiling the macaroni. Mac and cheese needs the sauce to cling to the pasta. Oil will make the pasta slippery and say, "Main nahi chipak sakti." Parsley is optional but adds freshness. Garnish and mix lightly. And that's it. Instant, no-bake mac and cheese is ready. Every piece of our mac is coated like it's getting married into a cheese family. If you enjoyed this recipe, make it, eat it, love it, and then like the video. It makes the algorithm happy. Share it, especially with that friend who survives on Maggi. And subscribe to my channel because unsubscribed viewers still eat my food with full confidence. Serve it hot in a bowl, topped with parsley, extra grated cheese and chili flakes. This is not just food, this is comfort. This is मैं खुद के लिए बना रही हूँ energy. Creamy, cheesy, balanced. This is the kind of dish that makes people say, बस थोड़ा सा और 5 times. No baking required, no drama, no unnecessary gym guilt. Coming up, one eye view of all the ingredients used. Save that screen. Until next time, stay cheesy, stay happy, and remember, life is better when the sauce is creamy. Bye and pass the cheese.